Hello, my name is Anthony with ARCM Roofing, and I'm here with Charles. We came out to his house. His insurance company had said that he had a repair on his roof. They sent one of their guys out to tell him that he had a repair. Fortunately, we got a hold of Charles, and we worked something out. We were able to talk to the insurance company, and we got a full home replacement of the roof. So it was a big benefit for Charles.
Yeah.
I'd say that's a 5-star job. The roof looks great. We've put on the class 4 roof, so he's now going to save some money on his homeowner's insurance, about 28% if he goes with some of the insurance carriers. My name's Anthony with ARCM Roofing, and I just wanted to get a little video out just to say the type of jobs we're doing. That's www.arcmroofing.com, and that's 303-306-8334. That's a 5-star review.
Guaranteed. Yeah.